Alright guys, so we made it back to the cabin and I'm going to give you guys a quick little room tour before we have to head out to our meet and greet. We are staying in cabin 7241 midship. We have an infinite veranda. So it's like having a balcony without having a balcony. So let's get this room tour started. So as usual, on the back of the door, you have all your safety information in case of an emergency. Sorry y'all, the light is glaring in the back, but your safety information will have your muster station. So in case of an emergency, we will go to deck 4 to muster station D4, which is located in the casino. We have our magnet to notify housekeeping. If you don't want to be bothered, put this on the outside. Let them know if you do want them to clean your room. You can put that you're out exploring and it's okay for them to come in. If you're sleeping and don't want to be bothered, put your deep sleep sign on. So once you enter the room, immediately to the right, you have the bathroom. Let's check out the bathroom. Best part about the bathroom is we have the glass shower door, not the annoying shower curtain. So very, very nice floors. This almost looks like a house bathroom. That glass door opens up. It's a pretty decent size. You have the little footrest stand right there in case you want to shave, wash your legs. Prop your leg up there. Removable shower head. It comes equipped with Shine shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. So if you didn't bring your own, don't worry. Celebrity has you covered. They will refill it for you every day. Safety handle for you to hold on to. Yep. So it is a very decent size shower. We are vertically challenged, so we have plenty of room in this shower. That's the toilet. Got your tissue right there. It does come with towels, washcloths, dry towels. We got extra tissue, extra Kleenex. That's the trash can. You got a bottom shelf for storage. Those are our towels. Oh, they actually have an outlet, and it's a regular outlet. The sink. They give you hand soap. We did bring our own though. You have some lotion. Comes with a nice little shower cap and a vanity set. You get your 2 glasses. Drink out them at your own risk. Make sure you just clean them out first. We got a few washcloths, some Kleenex. Nice size sink. Nice size mirror. Yeah, and check out this artwork. Lovely. She is gorgeous. All right, that's gonna do it for the bathroom. Really impressed with the bathroom. All right, and then next to the bathroom is your thermostat. Under that you have the light for the bathroom, light for the cabin. Next up, in these walls, they are actually hidden closets. So, and they got strong magnets, so you gotta use a little muscle opening them up. So you got your internet Wi-Fi box, a few shelves, you got little decorations, little coral, cute. Laundry bag, just in case you want to drop off laundry. Oh, they give us an umbrella. So if we make it to Ketchikan and it's raining, we got an umbrella. A few more shelves for storage. Continuing on, and these are the big closets over here. Open that up. You have your safe, a few drawers for storage, a little space right there for your suitcases. Oh, we got some robes. Okay, celebrity. They gave us 2 nice little rugs. Don't take them home. Don't take them home, please. You will be charged. We got all right, so next up we have the closet. Good magnetic strength on here. All right, so inside the closet we have plenty of hangers, storage space for your luggage. We already have one of our small carry-on suitcases and our backpacks in there. And then on this side, more hangers. This is where your safe is. It's very, very tall. Very, very small safe, so you can't get too much in there. You have 3 drawers for storage. And that is the closet. Right. After the closet, you have this little stand right here. Kind of use it as like a little side end table. Then you have this couch. I don't think it's a bed. Yeah, it's not really it doesn't fold out into a bed, but maybe they got a way that they set it up to where they move the pillows and you lay on the pillows and it turned into a bed. Not really sure, but decent sized couch. Lovely artwork on the wall. Right across from that, you have a dresser. You have a lamp right here. Little vase for decoration. It has 3 drawers, and inside of the drawers, they do have a divider in there. The divider is both good and bad. A few of our stuff in the drawer, and then another drawer. This top drawer isn't as deep as the bottom 2 drawers, but it gives you a decent amount of storage. And then next to the drawers, you have the refrigerator. At first glance, because it has this lock code on there, it kind of looks like a safe. Then it's like, dang, this is a big safe. Especially to say keep locked or unlocked. But it's not a safe, it's actually the refrigerator. So the refrigerator comes pre-filled. You got some Tito's vodka, some Heineken beers, Diet Coke, regular Coke, and 2 bottles of wine, plus my Red Bull. They also have some potato chips as well. Just know that all of these are an upcharge, so I don't suggest you take anything from the minibar unless you want to pay for it. And pricing for the minibar is right here, also next to the expensive water. So those are the prices for everything in the minibar. Also comes with 2 bottles of water, little glasses, courtesy of our travel agent, Lynette. She gave everybody a fruit basket. Thank you. What else we got over here? So this is the storage block. This is the storage box for your outlets. We have a 220 plug, 2 110 plugs, and then you have 2 USB-A ports. So it's in a nice cute little box that is discreet during the day, and then whenever you want to use it, open it up, plug everything up, and then boom, you got some outlets. Next to that, you have like this side table, your desk, sit there, do some work. You also have your vanity full-length mirror here as well. And the cool thing about this table is it slides in. So pull out the chair. If you want more space and you want to look in the mirror, slide that table in, and then bam, you got your full length mirror. And there's also a light on this vanity as well, but it's super bright, so I don't want to turn it on right now. But yeah, if you need to sit down and do some work, get a little editing done, pull that table out, boom, there you go. Next up, the king size bed. Nice firm cruise bed. Side of the bed, you have a nightstand, have your telephone, you have a lamp. The lamp doesn't have any USB ports or plugs, but there is a plug on this side of the bed. There's a 110 outlet, and then you have 2 USB-A outlets. So extra ports for charging is always good to go. We always bring our extension cord with for all of our plugs. Nice size Samsung TV right in front of the bed, so very convenient. Every time room steward comes in to fix up the room, he always leaves some chocolate. So tonight we got milk chocolate. Some days we have dark chocolate. All right, so we have a infinite veranda room, meaning it's more than an ocean view, but less than a balcony. So it's kind of like a room similar that we had on MSC World America, except with this infinite veranda room, you can actually close off the balcony. Can you close the lips? I tried to close it, but it didn't work out.
Let me see. Close out the balcony.
So if somebody wanted to have the window down, looking at the scenery, but you still wanted to be asleep, they could isolate themselves out there, which kind of simulate being on the balcony, but not necessarily being on the balcony. But they can go out there, do what they want to do, and still not disturb you too much while you're still sleeping.
Oh, hello there.
Hi.
I didn't see you there.
You didn't? I just appeared out of thin air.
Hello.
All right. On our infinite veranda, it comes with like a little patio furniture. One nice chair there, nice little pillow, end table, another chair, and then our infinite veranda window. And right in front of us, we have the Norwegian Joy cruise line. Now, if you don't know, with the infinite veranda, you are allowed to let the window down. So this is like a cross between an ocean view room and a balcony room. So we have all the perks of having the balcony. We can still access the outside without actually being outside. So I can still be in the comfort and warmth of my cabin without actually being outside if I don't really want to be outside. But yeah, so that will conclude our room tour. So that is going to conclude our room tour on the Celebrity Edge. This is an infinite veranda, stateroom 7241. I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and YouTube will see you in the next video. Please stay tuned for the rest of our Celebrity Edge Alaska Cruise series. Peace.